Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make another Mexican recipe. This one is the ring for the Holy King's Day. I'm going to show you how to make a Rosca de Reyes, a very popular bread in Mexico this time of the year. I hope you like it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a small bowl, we're going to combine half a cup of warm milk with the yeast. Give it a stir, and then also add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir once again until everything is well dissolved, and then let it rest for about 20 minutes before using it. Now in a large bowl, we're going to sift the flour together with the salt, the nutmeg, and the cinnamon. Also add in the granulated sugar. Give it a stir, and then try to push the flour mixture to the size of the bowl, so you will end up with an empty space right in the center of the bowl. And then right there in the center of the bowl, now we're going to add in the eggs together with the 3 egg yolks, and also add in the orange zest, the butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. To this we will also add in the yeast mixture, and now slowly combine all these ingredients with the flour mixture. And once everything is well combined, you will get a very sticky dough. Now transfer this dough to a flour surface, and now we're going to knead this for about 8 to 10 minutes or until you get a very elastic kind of dough. Feel free to add more flour if you need to. And once the dough is ready, now we're going to transfer it to a large bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and then let it rise for 1 or 2 hours, all until it doubles in size. Now to make the filling in a large bowl, combine the dried fruit with the shredded coconut, also add in the raisins, and also add in the rest of the ingredients. We will also add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir well until everything is well combined and the filling is ready. Just set it aside until you're ready to use it. Now to make the powdered sugar decoration, my camera didn't film this step, but it's super easy. In an electric mixer, we're going to mix 90 grams of powdered sugar with 90 grams of butter and 90 grams of flour. To this we will also add in 2 egg yolks, and now we're going to blend this on high for about 2 minutes or until you get a creamy mixture. And then once it's ready, then refrigerate it until you're ready to use it. After 2 hours, this is how the dough looks like. Now we're going to sprinkle it with some flour, and then we're going to transfer it to a flour surface, and we're going to knead it for about 2 more minutes. And then we're going to roll it out to a rectangular shape, about half an inch thick. And once it's done, now we're going to cut it in half lengthwise, and then after that, now we're going to brush each half with a little bit of melted butter. And then right on the center of each half, we're going to add in some of the filling, and you can add as much of the filling as you like. Then we're going to roll each half to make a roll. You want the filling to be inside of the roll. And once you're done, now we're going to braid both halves together, just like you see on the video. Just bring one half over the other one, and just keep on braiding it until you're done. And then when you're done, now we're going to bring the ends together to make the ring. Then transfer this to a baking sheet, and we're going to let it rise for another hour. At this point, you can also insert the plastic dolls that will go inside the ring. Just insert them from below so they won't be visible. And you can add as many dolls as you like. Now preheat the oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the ring has doubled in size, now we're going to brush it with a beaten egg. And then after that, we're going to decorate it with the candied citron. You can add as much as you like. I'm just adding a few strips. And then after that, we will also decorate it with the candied cherries. I added 4 of them, but feel free to add as many as you like. And then after that, now we're going to decorate it with the powdered sugar decoration. This one has been in the refrigerator for a while. It looks like some kind of dough. Now I'm going to slice it into 4 sections, but you can make as many sections as you like. It depends on the size of the ring. So after you slice it, now we're going to sprinkle it with some flour, and then we're going to flatten up each section a little bit. I'm just doing it with my hands. The size and shape depends on you. My shape is like an oval shape, and it's about the same size as the thickness of the ring. Once it's ready, we're going to place it on the ring. And like I said, you can make as many decorations as you want. And feel free to place them anywhere that you want. And that's about it. Once it's ready, now we're going to brush it again with a little bit of beaten egg. And now we're going to bake it at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. To decorate the ring, I'm also making a butter and powdered sugar drizzle. To make it, just mix 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of melted butter and half a tablespoon of water. Mix until combined, and if it's too thick, feel free to add more water to thin it out. And once it's ready, pour it into a plastic bag and set it aside until you're ready to use it. And then after 20 minutes, this is how it looks. Let it cool down for about 10 minutes. Then finish decorating it with the butter and powdered sugar drizzle. Just decorate the ring with a zigzag motion. You can add as much of the drizzle as you like. Then sprinkle it with more shredded coconut and chopped nuts, and that's about it. The ring is ready. Now you can serve it. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!